we're looking at simplifying radicals and square roots, things like that. So we're looking at this for the ASVAB test, or any kind of a test for that matter. We can just simply do it what we normally would do in the case of something like this. Now this is just a square root symbol or a radical symbol that you see right here. It looks like a division sign, but it is a radical sign. That just means we're looking for perfect squares. And as you can see above, there are some perfect squares written that you can see on the screen. So first thing I want to do with the fraction is see if there's anything that I can divide out any which way. And there's not, so unfortunately there's not much simplifying that we can do here. So what we're going to just simply do is we're going to take the top in our numerator and just we're going to multiply 27 times 3. Hopefully we can do that on our head. If not, take a minute and do that out. And you get 27 times 3 is 81. So we have that square root symbol. So again, it looks like that. And on the top, 3 times 27 is 81. In our denominator, we're going to do the same thing. So 2 times 32, and that is 64. Now the root symbol, or the radical, is applied to both the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to just rewrite this a little bit differently. So I'm just going to say you can see the square root of 81 over the square root of 64. So we're looking to simplify this as much as we possibly can. And so again, if I know my perfect squares, which is really helpful to do, I will know what they are reduced down to. So 81 square rooted is 9 times 9. So that means that 9 is one of my possibilities. And then 64 right here is 8 times 8. So this is reduced down to 9/8. Now, again, if I'm looking at something like this and I'm trying to find an answer, I'm just going to show you the question that I have here. So this is the question that we're looking at, and these are my choices. If I'm looking at this as an answer, I don't see that. I see 8/9, but I don't see 9/8. So my other option to do is to take a look and say, is there anything that I can change that out to be looking like somewhat similar? And if I look at the options, I do see 1 and 1/8. And when I look at 9/8, if I reduce that down and change that from that number as an improper to a mixed number, 8 goes into 9 once with 1 left over. And because it's a denominator of 8, my finalized answer would be 1/8, which means your answer would be C. If you want more questions like these, find them on my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. These are all going to be located in the ASVAB portion of my playlist. And don't forget to like and share. Also follow for me.